Hello, this is Alex from Mr. Retro Essential, and I'm just going to be showing you guys today how to download NiceHash Miner Legacy and how to get it running and installed and all that kind of stuff. This is basically like a pretty informative guide. If you want to know how to install and run the normal NiceHash, I will have another video for that. I'm also doing another video kind of all at the same time of me installing and configuring Exodus, so that's a wallet. So anyone who's basically starting off, this is great for. So what you want to do is you want to come to the miner.nicehash.com website, and you want to scroll down to here. This also works for AMD. You might need Legacy. So you want to view on GitHub, and you just want to download the latest version. So latest release. So you would click download. You don't need the source code, don't need anything. Just download this one. NiceHash Miner, L's for Legacy, 1.8.1.5, zip, very small. Once that's downloaded and installed, you just want to boot up the Legacy Miner. And it'll basically look like this. The first time it boots up, it may need to download all the miners, which is normal. So as you can see here in my other video, NiceHash Miner does use older cards. The Legacy does use older cards, where the newer one doesn't. It's got to be over a certain CUDA. So the 1080 Ti's work fine on the new one, and they also work fine on the old one. The 680s don't work on the new one, but they work on the old one, on the Legacy. So what you want to do is you want to benchmark everything precise. It's going to take some time, but you just got to do it. You input your wallet number up here, very simple. Your service location, just the closest one to you. Your worker name, just the generic name you want to put in. So I just put rig1. And then you basically start and it will do its own thing. Very simple. And down here it tells you, etc., etc. And yeah, it's just going to pop up with a bunch of new windows, and they're basically mining, and you just let them do their thing. If the miner turns off, or your computer turns off, or it stuffs up, then there's probably something wrong. Not necessarily with the miner. For example, if I start running, for some reason, my computer, I think it's to do with my power supply being too, especially because I'm overclocking these cards, it will just turn off my computer because it's too much power being put out into my power supply. So I may need to run a dual power supply if I want to run these old ones. But that's fine. I'm fine with just the 1080s Ti's. They're good. These will probably use more power, than they're more profitable anyway. But it's very, 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 very simple. And that's essentially how you do it. Let me turn these off and see if I can start, just to show you quickly what it roughly looks like. So same as Legacy. It's just going to pop up with Windows, and it's going to start mining. And as you can see there, it's not selected, so that's fine. And basically, that's just going to mine, and that's just what's going to happen. It's going to tell you speeds and etc. there. I'm just going to stop that, just because I'm recording, and it's definitely going to lag. But that's how you do it. But anyways, I hope this video helped you. My name is Alex from Mr. Retro Essential, and thanks for watching.